Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot create Instagram account. If you are using any phone and you want to create your own Instagram account but you cannot, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue or how can you easily create a new Instagram account. So the very first thing is that you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection because sometimes your connection is weak, so you might get these type of errors. Or if you are connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that, open up your settings, and here go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN. Or if you can't find VPN setting, you have to go for search option, and here you have to simply search for VPN and you'll get that. And once you have disconnected with your VPN, you have to try again to create your Instagram account. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open up your app store or play store, and here go for search, and you have to simply search for Instagram. And here you have to make sure that you have any update available in your Instagram app, or if you have any update here, you have to try to update your app. And once you have updated, so it might be that problem will be fixed, or if it's still not fixed, so you have to make sure that you are using a new phone number or Gmail. So because sometimes it might be that the Instagram account has already registered on your phone number or Gmail. So you have to try to use a different your phone number or Gmail, and then you can easily create a new account. So in this way you can easily fix if you cannot create Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.